MAPEI's Ultrabond ECO 977 is a unique product in our wood flooring adhesive line. For several decades, the gold standard for glue-down wood flooring installations has been moisture-cured polyurethane adhesives. This type of adhesive is known for its tenacious bonding and flexibility, which allows wood flooring to move dimensionally in reaction to the environment and without creating bond loss. One downside to this type of adhesive is that it only supplies a wet suction type of bond when it's green or until it sets, and it can take over 24 hours to set depending on conditions. The term moisture cured means that the polyurethane adhesive requires the presence of moisture to react with in order to begin the curing process. The more moisture that is present, the quicker the reaction will occur. This can be problematic in dry climates or if you need to open the floor to traffic in a short period of time. Wood flooring does not react well to the presence of liquid water, and it can absorb that water, which can cause swelling as well as other concerns. Moisture vapor in the air as well as the substrate is the primary catalyst for the curing process. Why is this important? I mentioned that green polyurethane adhesives only provide a wet suction bond, which will allow movement and sliding of the wood flooring planks until they set. If the floors are open to traffic too soon, this can result in unwanted movement, gapping, and displacement of the planks. If this is not corrected immediately and the flooring sets, you can have big problems. Ultrabond ECO 977 is a rapid-setting, moisture-cured polyurethane wood flooring adhesive. This product will set in as little as 1.5 hours and can be opened to traffic in as little as 6. For fast-track projects and repair work, this is a significant advantage. You do need to be aware that this product could skin over quicker than other polyurethane wood flooring adhesives, and it's imperative that the wood is laid into wet adhesive, so only spread as much as you can install over within 15 to 30 minutes. For more information about all of our wood flooring adhesives, and to help determine if Ultrabond ECO 977 is right for your project, please call our product support department or visit our website.